Okay, this time I will create a tutorial how to design a simple website using a Figma, and also build is the prototype. In this tutorial I will explain the basic steps from settings up the design layout to creating an interactive prototype that can be clicked and test. This tutorial is suitable for beginners who want to learn web design using Figma. Alright, without the further ado, let's go straight to Figma. First, go to all projects, then click add to create a new project. This is the initial appearance of Figma. This area is used to set the background of our design here. I will change it to a darker appearance, maybe like this. We darken it more because we will use white for the website background. Here the various menu. This is the move tool, used to select, move and arrange the position of object. Inside the move tool there is a hand tool which is used to shift the view. Then scale is used to resize the design. Here are another tools. There is section which is used to give boundaries and titles to several frames. The frames tool used to create frames and boards, mobile, web, and in one area. Slides in Figma used to define specific area of a design that you want to export separately without creating a frame. Then there are to add the design elements include the rectangle, line, arrow, ellipse, polygon, and star, and also add image or videos. Next, there are two creation tools. Here this is the pen tool to draw lines that follow anchor points, and then there is a pencil tool which can draw freehand lines. Next is text. This is used to add text by creating an area first like this, and we can type seconds inside it. We can reduce its size to fit our design space. Then we use scale to adjust the text size. Then there is comment, which is used to give notes or feedback directly on specific parts of the designs to make communication and collaboration easier. With the comment, the team are discussed, give revisions or request change without directly modifying the design. Next is actions, which is used to set interactions and prototype behaviors such as moving between frames, showing overlays, or running when users click an element. Through actions, these designers can simulate the user flow so the interface feels like interactive before being developed into a real application. Then there are pen, brush, and pencil. The pen is used to create lines based on anchor points. The pencil is used for free drawing, and here we can also adjust its thickness like that. And here is dev mode, which helps the developers see technical details of the design such as size, spacing, color, fonts, and component properties automatically. With the dev mode, developers can easily get specification and assets from the design without without having to ask the designer, so the implementation process in the code becomes faster and more accurate. Alright, those are the basic tools in Figma. Next, we will continue to create a simple website interface. First, we will create frame. We set the size like this, then we delete the comment. Okay, we enlarge it using the mouse scroll. We will add a circle here like a logo, then we adjust the size. Then we add the text for the website title. We adjust the font size here on side. And then we can set the font. There are many font types available here that we can choose according to our preference. I will choose I will just choose this font. Then we position it the center here and adjust it again to make it neat. We add the text again here from the website menu. For example, page 1. Then we press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Place it next to it and change it to page 2. Okay, then we change the font weight like this. Okay, maybe this one and another one, same one. Next, we add rectangle here for the website's content columns. We create the columns at the top and one side in right. Like this, and one on the side here. Then we add more here. Okay, then we add a column like this. Then we add circles for the menu here. Just duplicate them for this page. Okay, then we create another rectangle here. Next, we add the final website descriptions on the side here. We adjust the font size. Then we text it, the description in here. I will use my student numbers and my faculty like this, and my university also. Okay, like this. Select all and we can set the size. Maybe smaller. Okay, like this. We adjust okay, we duplicate the title above and make it smaller. Okay, so like all this. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay, our homepage design is finished here. Okay. Next, we will create the page 1 layout. I will change this. We duplicate the frame and place it to the next like this, and we duplicate the frame again for page 2. We add rectangle right here. We add a rectangle here, then we add the page title at the top here. Okay, then we text the page 2. Okay, change the size. Duplicate this page title in here. Okay, make it same position and we change the page 3. Okay, this is roughly how it works. Alright, we will create another rectangle to add the columns of the website. Alright, next we will create the prototype so the website can be clicked and respond, so later the programmer can understand the website concept. The way is the zoom, and here we will find a plus icon. Okay, this icon, this icon right here. Oh yes, we change this first to page 1 and this one to page 2. We go back to the prototype, then we will direct this to frame 2 like this, and page 2 we direct to frame 3 like this. Now we will add a back button. We will use this triangle shape. We place it at the top here. And rotate it to the left. Here we change directly. Change it to 90 degrees. we will duplicate it for page 2 like this. Okay, this is roughly how it looks. Now we go back to the prototype and connect this triangle to return to frame 1 or the home page. We do same for page 2. We see the results by pressing play here. Okay, we try to play the concept. Go to page 1. The display will go to page 1 like this, and if we go back it will return to home page, and on page 2 it will look like this, and we go back it return to the home page. Alright, that's the tutorial on creating website designs interface in Figma. Thank you for watching.